up, guys?
Whoa.
Thanks for that 10 subscribers, by the way. Whoever did those 10 subscribers will just be looking and giving you shout out next videos. So stay on and get a piece of cake. Enjoy the video, hopefully.
And hopefully most people
Shout out to Little Shake
and Panda Gaming. Go check their channels out.
and Zain the Boss. And Zain the Boss. So guys, look
and Fabian.
And Unboxing Fabian.
Oh damn, boy.
So now look at that high score, you guys. I'm not even joking. I did that. Me and my brother did. No, I just did. No, my brother did.
No, God.
Only my brother did that. So that means I can't do anything. So ripped. I'm so ripped. But look at this style, guys. Who enjoyed that?
No one. You retard, man.
I'm being a waste man, man. So comment down below right now if you want us to record a FIFA video, a football video, any video that you would like, and we'll give you shout outs. So stay on.
Let's get on into this video.
So you guys,
God. Oh damn, son. For goodness sake. I didn't really bother putting any new outfit in today, but guys, next time I play Subway Surfers, I will do like a different costume for every
actually we'll do it
every
right
episode. Nah, bruv.
Okay, now we'll do it. Comment down below what character you want. Just go straight. That's all you have to do because you have a mic. So, like, I'm not even kidding right now. So this may be our last and final video. And plus, we show you our fidget spinner. And
I am literally.
no, don't save yourself. Just change the costume.
Okay.
Didn't change it, even if they, because they see someone now. Okay, just leave it. 10, 9, 8, or whatever. Go. Home. So you tap the home bar.
Yeah, home button. For flip's sake.
These ads these days. Boom. Choose the girl. Just do him. Wait.
Yeah, this boom, damn. What the hell am I back to Jake?
This is my guy.
This guy's
okay,
nice.
But
nah, I don't really want that anymore.
What matches him?
Daredevil. For goodness sake. Okay, guys. Well, that was the end of the video.
No.
I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.